Hi viewers, my name is Sachin Singh, an alumni of IIHCA Khatima. I started my culinary journey as a trainee in Canteen and Suite by Radisson Blu, Saket, New Delhi. With IIHCA constant guidance, I was selected in Royal Caribbean Cruise Line as a Commie 2, and the skill I learned in IIHCA helped me to get an early promotion to Commie 1. And I am glad to say that I have been selected in Namo restaurant chain in Canada, Calgary. This was short summary of my journey. I stepped forward to reach my ambition, and now it's your turn to fulfill your passion.